The Igbo Community Association in the Midlands are proud to launch Igbotiq, Europe's first ever Igbo historical art exhibition, showcasing treasured artifacts of Igboland and the surrounding territories within Nigeria. The West Midlands is set to be captivated by the vibrant and storied heritage of Igboland, as the highly anticipated Igbotiq Echoes of Time historical art exhibition opens its doors. The first of its kind exhibition will take place at the prestigious Midlands Art Centre in Birmingham and will showcase a breathtaking collection of high-value replicas of ancient Igbo artifacts and artistry generously shared with various private collectors. The two-day exhibition, running from Saturday 21st of October to Sunday the 22nd of October, is an extraordinary initiative to promote cultural exchange and celebrate the historical significance of the Igbo people. Organised in collaboration with the Igbo Community Association in the Midlands, this event promises to transport visitors through time, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Igbo culture and their ancient way of life. Igbotiq Echoes of Time will feature an impressive array of artifacts, each meticulously selected for its historical and cultural significance. The collection includes intricate bronze and brass sculptures, magnificent wooden masks, timeless pottery, and other objects of great artistic value that embody the essence of Igbo civilization, as well as surrounding Nigerian Asian cultures, such as Benin and Ife. This exhibition represents a unique opportunity to appreciate the artistic, cultural, and historical legacy of the Igbo people going back thousands of years. ICAM hopes that through this showcase, visitors will gain a deeper appreciation of Igbo cultural heritage and recognize its global importance. The event also aligns the Midlands Art Centre's commitment to showcase diverse and historically significant collections from around the world, contributing to a broader global dialogue of shared cultural experiences. Igbotiq Echoes of Time is open to the public and the mission is free of charge. It's a two-day exhibition running from Saturday the 21st of October starting at 9 a.m. and right through to Sunday the 22nd of October, closing its doors at 5 p.m.